Here's how to convert JPEG to AVIF. So that AVIF file format, AVIF. We're going to just select our JPEG and we're going to, or JPEG files, and we're going to click and drag into this app I created called ConvertSave. It converts and saves. It's that simple. So this is an image and video and audio offline file converter for Windows and Mac. You can find it with a link in the description down below. But all we have to do is select our output. In this case, we're going to find AVIF right down here, and then we're going to hit convert. And it converts those JPEG to AVIF. And if you had transparency in your PNG or something, you can also convert that to AVIF and keep the transparency, etc. So it's a really versatile file converter, but we try to make it as simple as possible. I worked on this with my brother. He's a software developer, and I pretty much asked him, I just need something I can drag files into really quickly and select my output and hit convert. And so on the back end, a bunch of stuff happens, but on the front end here, you basically just select your output, hit convert. We're actually adding more advanced features here where you can really control a lot of different things and do a lot of different image, audio, and video customizations to these conversions. But right now, it's a very simple, and it will always be very simple just to drag something in and say, I'm going to convert it to this format and hit convert. It's convert save. It's exactly that. It converts and it saves right next to wherever those images came from. I appreciate your guys' support. Let me know if you check it out, and I'll see you in the next one.